what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nima and I post all things fashion, beauty, lifestyle and DIY. So if any of that is at your interest, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn your post notifications on so every time I post to be the first one to be notified. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a Kiarasky deep system nail tutorial. I'm gonna be doing these nails. If you want to see how I achieved these nails, it's really a trial and error process, so it's not like perfect. This is my first time trying the Kiarasky deep system. It's super simple and pretty easy to use. So if you want to see how everything goes on, please watch to the end of this video and give this video a big thumbs up for more videos in the future. Please subscribe to my channel and comment down below. So I'll see you at the end. Bye. So I have here a piece of paper towels that you're gonna need to clean up your brush as you go. I have here my cuticle pusher and like a scraper. I just got this from Amazon. And I have a bottle of alcohol, so it's just a pressed up alcohol. I have a nail file, so it's 100 to 180 grit, and this is from Macart. Then you're gonna need a nail buffer. Again, this is from Macart. And last, you're gonna need your lint-free wipes just to clean up your brushes and your nail. And here I have my nail set deep system that I got from Kiarasky. It's really nice. This is what it looks like when you open the packaging. It's really nice. The box is really cute. You can see like it has the Kiarasky thing right there. But okay, so here is the box, and then you just like open it. This is the set that comes into it. It's a really nice packaging. And then it has the French system. Like if you want to do a French nail, this is the deepest system you're gonna use. I'll show you guys in a minute. But yeah, I'm gonna do a little bit of ASMR. I've never done one of those, but I think they're just really nice. So here I have our beautiful powders. I love these colors. They're so nice, so cute, as you guys can see. And here I have like our system with numbers. So this is number 1, and that is the bond. Then we have the base, which is number 2. Then the third step is the seal and protect. Then we have number 4 as the top coat. Number 5 is the nourishing oil, like the cuticle oil. And number 6 is your brush saver. With the powders, we have 5 powders, so you guys can choose like whatever color you want to do. So the first powder is natural, and this is what it looks like. The second one is pure white. It looks pretty the same with the natural, but they're different. The third one is light pink. The fourth one is medium pink, and the fifth one is dark pink. So you also get like a set of instructions with this, so it makes it really easier like to do your thing. So this is what I'm gonna follow. Also get like extra brushes in case the ones you have like they go dry or stuff. You get like extra brushes, which is really cool. Okay, so the fun part, I'm gonna do this on my natural nails. So to start with, I'm gonna like start like pushing the cuticles and removing all the dirt from my cuticle with the cuticle pusher.
I like the bed to myself. Nobody's stealing covers. I like to drink too.
So that's what we have. Now I'm gonna use the other end of the cuticle pusher to just like scrape out the dirty skin.
Don't need a hand to hold tight. Don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes I just want somebody to talk to.
Now I'm gonna like remove the shine from my nails using this hand file from Macart. So I'm just gonna like file them on top, and then I'll shape them also, you know, just to get like a decent kind of shape. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Okay, so my nails are prepped, and you can see I went for like an almond or like a round shape, you can say. Like, I tried to file it. This is my first time filing my nails for like a different shape, so yeah, you can see like the difference. So yeah, we're gonna start with the first step, which is the bond. You wanna apply it to your whole natural nail. It takes off the natural oil and stuff to make the nail ready.
Don't need a hand to hold tight. Don't need a love that's all mine.
So the next step is you apply the base to 3/4 of your nail. I actually already did these 4 nails. I thought I was recording, but for some reason my phone wasn't. So I still have the thumb, so I'm gonna show you guys. What I'm gonna do with the thumb is what I did to all the 4 fingers. So you wanna take your base and apply to 3/4 of the nail. And then you have to go like straight, dip it into the natural powder because the base dries pretty quickly, and then you just dust off the excess. So the next step is actually you do the same thing, apply the base to like a hairline from your cuticle, that's what they say, and then you dip straight into the color. So for the color I chose this dark pink. I wanted to do white, like this pure white, but I was like, for the sake of the video, I just do colors, so I picked this dark pink. I hope it turns out well. So now I'm gonna apply my base really near to the cuticle, but not really all the way. You guys will see it, and then I'll dip straight into my powder.
I just want somebody to talk to. Somebody to talk to talk. Yeah, I just want somebody. Just want somebody. Yeah, I just want somebody.
So this is the first layer of the colored powder.
I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I wanna have.
Okay, so here we have the first layer, and now I'm gonna do another layer where I'm gonna put the base to the entire nail now, and then dip the same color.
Nobody stealing covers. I like to drink to myself, so I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to hold tight. Don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody. Just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to. Somebody to talk to. I like to drive by myself.
Okay, so this is what we have so far. The color is not like super vibrant, or maybe because I'm not done yet, but this is like 3 layers. So now I'm gonna go apply base to the entire nail, and then put this natural powder. It's supposed to put clear, but I don't have clear. It didn't come with the kit, so I'm just gonna use the natural powder. So like when you file this down, it doesn't take off the pigmented color, it just takes off that natural clear powder you put on.
Something that's all cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody. Just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to. Somebody to talk to.
Okay, so now this is what we have so far. Now the next step is to file, shape, and buff, because my nails feel so bulky right now. Like they are so bulky. I don't know if you guys can see that. They're heavy. Like I feel it's too heavy. So yeah, I guess this is where the filing comes. So I'm just gonna file to like take it down to my desired thickness, and then yeah, we'll keep on with the next steps. Okay, so I already shaped and filed my nails. This is what I could get to. It's really not bad. Actually, the shaping is really easy. Like the powder shapes so easily. They were really bulky. Now I feel okay. Like my nails feel like really nice. So now I'm gonna buff just to like smooth it out, and then I'll wipe it with alcohol. Again, I'm gonna take my lint-free wipes, and then I'm gonna just wipe all the dust from the filing. As you can tell, they're really rough right now, but yeah, I'm just gonna clean that up.
Somebody wanna have somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody.
Okay, so now we're moving on to the next step, which is number 3, and that is seal and protect. I'm gonna put it on all my nails. So the next step after you put the seal protect, you want to wipe again with the lint-free wipes just to remove the extra seal protect. Moving on to the next step, which is number 4, and that is the top coat. So you just put it on all the nails.
Make the bed to myself. Nobody stealing covers. I like to drink to myself, so I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to hold tight.
Okay, for our last step, now we're gonna use the nourishing cuticle oil to just put it on my cuticles, and we'll be done with this hand. So I'll do that and go finish the other hand off camera and be right back. Alright, so we are done with our other hand, and this is the final product. I know they look different, but as I told you guys, this hand didn't give me the color I wanted. It's supposed to be dark pink. These are the same colors, by the way. But okay, so this was my first hand, so I like kind of was learning from it. So what I did on this hand was I put the white powder first before I put the pink on top. So that's why it looks like really bright. But it has like lines down here, so you can see where the white one was, because I didn't put it all the way, if that makes sense. So yeah, but we're learning, and this is my first time doing this kit. I really love how they turned out. I really love it. So you guys, what do you like? Which hand do you like? Do you like that one, or do you like this one? So yeah, this is the end of our video, and comment down below if you want to see more of this, and I will do deep powder on fake nails, like on tips. Comment down if you like this. Was my first try, like did I do it good or no, like, you know. But yeah, I really love how they turned out. Now stay tuned for the final shots. Bye, and see you in my next video.